Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and setup on the Home Depot Fear Valley Wolf. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this guy arrived yesterday, and I did set him up yesterday. I uploaded 2 shorts, but I messed up the recording of the actual unboxing, so I'm redoing it today. So I know how to set him up, which means this will be pretty quick. So let's look at the pieces. First, we have, this is one of his front legs. The detailing on this piece is amazing. It always looks great. Here we've got a back leg. Really awesome, especially this plastic piece. Giant piece. I'm going to try to take out the biggest stuff last. Here is his other front leg. Here is his other back leg. This one's a little bit more rotten. Right here is the biggest piece, his torso. Now this is a ginormous piece and absolutely amazing detailing. They went all out with this guy. His tail. Here's the adapter, already out of the box. Screws, instructions, and the last piece is his head. This is ginormous and absolutely amazing. Such a good piece just on its own. The movement is also amazing. Well, now that we have all the pieces out of the box, let's get into the setup. So the setup is very simple. All you gotta do is grab one of his front legs, do this one first, and it kind of just slides into here. Now it's not secure on its own. There's no snap locks or anything. You do have to screw it in, and this is gonna take me a while, so we'll cut to when this leg is done. Okay, I have that leg pretty secure. Now let's do the back leg. Amazing detail on all of these pieces. The rotten parts look great, even though most people probably aren't going to be looking at them. So this just slides in like that, and I have to screw it in. Alright, I got both the legs on this side stable, so let's flip him to the other side. I lowered the camera more so that you guys could see a little bit better what's going on, but it's pretty much the same exact thing for this side. Just gotta attach this, and if you can see that, it just slides onto there because it's got a hole. So let me screw this in.
Much later.
Okay, this leg's on. Let's attach the other back leg. This one is really cool. It's got extra rotting on the lower leg. Oh, also, I upped the frame rate to 60, which is a new feature. Let me know if you guys can tell the difference, and let me attach this really quickly. Okay, that leg is secured, so we can now stand him up. Here he is, all stood up, looking great. Very detailed. Let's, one of the final steps, let's put on his tail. So his tail is just snap locks, and it kind of just goes in like that. Very simple, very easy. Now let's spin it around to the other side because we are going to put on the head. Okay, here is the head. This piece is huge. Now there's these big flaps of fur in the back that you kind of want to open up, and it kind of just connects on like this to this piece right here. There's wires in the head for all the animations, and they're color coded, so it's very easy to get on. You just gotta quickly attach them before you put on the head. Very important part, and very simple, hard to mess up. So I'll just snap this down on here. There's no snap lock or anything. It kind of just rests in the place. Should slide in just like that. You have to make sure that fur isn't in the way of anything, and just bring it down, cover up all that stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna plug him in and let's cue the demo. Okay, so my final thoughts on this guy. Amazing prop. I'm planning to put this guy in a forest area in the haunt this year, which will look absolutely amazing. Probably scare a few people since he's a pretty creepy looking wolf, and he is ginormous. The photos don't do him justice. This video doesn't do him justice. He is huge in person. Like, absolutely ginormous. Up to my chest, which is pretty crazy. Yeah, absolutely a great piece. The detailing on all the rotten parts is super amazing, if you guys can see that. This part's latex, which not a big fan of since it will dry rot, but still looks nice. The mouth movement, the entire head's movement is really amazing. I like how his tongue can move. The snarling animation, very unique. Ears moving is cool. The tail kind of wagging, that's nice. Very easy setup. Very easy to put back in the box. Just huge, ginormous pieces. Super high quality too. So I'm a big fan of this guy. I'd give him an 8 out of 10. Great prop. I do recommend buying him if you guys are gonna do a werewolf theme, maybe a graveyard he'd fit in, forest, he'd fit in any theme really. But yeah, that will be the end of this video, so I hope to see you guys in another video. Well, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and see you later.